Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see continents of the world. So let's start. First we'll see what is continent. In simple words, continent is division of Earth's land. So we know there are 7 continents of the world. So we'll see them one by one. First continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world by area. Asia has 48 countries in it. Land area is 44,570,000 square kilometer. Population of Asia is 4,560,667,108. Asia is home to Mount Everest. Our country India is also in Asia continent. Asia covers 1/3 of land on earth. Asia has Pacific Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, and Europe in the west. Second continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world by area. Africa has 54 countries. It covers land area of 30,370,000 square kilometer. Population of Africa is 1,275,920,972. Africa is home to the largest desert Sahara and the longest river in the world, Nile. There are 1,000 languages spoken in Africa. Africa is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the east, Atlantic Ocean in the west, Mediterranean Sea, and Red Sea. Third continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world by area. North America has 23 countries. It covers land area of 24,709,000 square kilometer. Population of North America is 579,024,000. North America is home to the longest land border in the world, which is in between US and Canada. It has every kind of climate. It is surrounded by African Ocean in the east, Pacific Ocean in the west, and South America to the south. Fourth continent of the world is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent by area. South America has 12 countries in it. It covers land area of 70,840,000 square kilometer. Population of South America is 423,581,078. South America is home to Andes, world's second largest mountain range and second largest river, Amazon. It is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in the east, Pacific Ocean in the west, Southern Ocean in south, and North America in north. Fifth continent of the world is Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of the world by area. Located at the South Pole, Antarctica has no permanent population and no countries. It covers land area of 13,209,000 square kilometer. Antarctica is a desert due to its cold climate. Lowest point on earth is in Antarctica, located at 8,327 feet below sea level. Antarctica is used by US and other countries to operate science stations. Antarctica is surrounded completely by Southern Ocean. Sixth continent of the world is Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent of the world by area. Countries in Europe are 50. It covers land area of 9,938,000 square kilometer. Population of Europe is 746,419,450, which is almost 10% of the world's total population. It is home to the smallest country, Vatican City state. Europe is surrounded by Ural and Caucasus Mount in east, Mediterranean Sea to the south, Arctic Ocean to the north, and Atlantic Ocean to the west. Seventh and last continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent by area and second smallest populated continent after Antarctica. Countries in Australia are 14. It covers land area of 8,525,989 square kilometers. Population of Australia is 41,570,842. Australia has world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef. It is in the off coast of Australia. Australia is home to rare species of animals, especially kangaroos. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.